Well, other than a final reveal with all the pieces put together, this should conclude. There's the unmasked and finished grip area and the reverse side. And so the only thing to do now is to put the wood hardener into the stippling area. And so I'll brush that in very quickly. And that's basically just to keep the surface from wearing. Those stipples bruise, for lack of a better word, easily. And dent, just like they were formed. You have to be kind of careful with this stuff or you have it everywhere. This will also seal up the black charring of the traces and keep them from getting on hands and gloves and spreading out onto the finish. It's kind of hard to talk and work in some of these delicate areas at the same time, for me at least. And so that becomes a finished side. Next, you'll see the entire stock and receiver and everything assembled, and that'll conclude the series.